Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login failed error on HBO Max, it can be frustrating, but it's usually easy to fix. And here's how. First, double check your email and password for any type in mistakes. If you forgot your password, use the forgot password option to reset it. Then, make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're able to do so. If not, go ahead and make sure that you're connected to a stable connection so your app operates smoothly. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for HBO Max and then swipe it away. Next, reopen it. Then try logging in again. If the problem continues, log in through the HBO Max website once, then return to the mobile app. After following these steps, you should be able to log in into the HBO Max without errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.